Hey everyone, Brian Manier here with Keystone Financial Group, and want to just take the next couple minutes and just provide you a few words of encouragement. I know we are a few weeks into this coronavirus pandemic, and it has just impacted us in ways that none of us saw coming. Whether you have lost your job and you're just not sure what to do next, or you have health concerns, or like me, you have concerns from a health perspective for some of your loved ones, or maybe you're watching the market over the last couple of weeks continue to decline, and it's got you worried on what your financial future looks like. There's so many concerns that we have, and we are living in a period right now of uncertainty, and we're just not sure what to do or where to turn. And so what I have felt in times like this, that it's really important that you take and find perspective on what is going on. And the way that we can do that, especially as it pertains to our financial future, is go back in history and just take a look at the last 20 years. And by doing this, I think what you will find is you will be encouraged because of where we've been in the past and where we've ended up and where I think that we will end up. So if you go back 20 years and you look at a period of 2001, this was the dot-com crash. This was a period where we had a 31-month downturn in the market. And it led to a period of 5 years where there was significant growth, where not only did we come out of it and recover, but there was prosperity and there was considerable growth in the overall stock markets. I know we all remember 2008, really difficult time period where we had a major recession. And this was a period where so many people lost upwards of 50% of their money if they had that invested in the stock market. Well, what we had after that was a period of a decade where we had the longest bull run in the history of our country. And what we found during those two major events, just in recent history, that there was concern and fear. People weren't sure what to do, but if they had a plan and they stuck with it, they actually came out ahead better than those that didn't. So if we look at history, and if it's any indicator, we know that not only will we recover from this, we will have a period of economic growth and a potential for you to come out much better ahead now than where you were when we first started into this particular pandemic. And so if you are here and you're listening to this, you know that I am not someone that is going to try to time the market. I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know when the markets are going to go up, and I don't know when they're going to go down. We at Keystone, we're not market timers. But what we do take a lot of pride in is putting together solid plans to prepare you not only for good times, but in bad times as well. We like to provide certainty in both those type of time periods. If you have a bucket plan that you work so hard to implement, I know tonight you're going to sleep much better than those that don't have it, because that plan has prepared you for not only good market conditions, but it's prepared you for something like today. And so that you can rest easy knowing that you have that plan in place. And so if you're watching this, I have two things that I would like to ask you. Number one, if you have concerns or questions, or you just want to talk because you just want to make sure that your plan is intact, or if you even want to make some minor modifications, please give us a call. This is the time to talk. This is the time that we want to make sure that we're serving you in any way that we can. The second thing that we would ask, if you have friends or family that you know can use a plan like yours, please pass our information along to them. We want to provide that kind of certainty that we know that we have provided you. And so please pass that along. We want to take care of them. We're in the business of helping people. And I thank you so much for taking time to watch this, and I hope to talk to you soon.